If you don't like sitting still but love the ocean, then you need to watch how waves never stop moving. Waves are basically energy moving through water, powered by the wind, the moon, and sometimes even earthquakes. Each wave travels thousands of miles, all to break gently on the shore right at your feet. Next time you're by the ocean, just listen. It's nature's own lullaby, keeping your mind calm and your heart in motion.
Everybody is looking for the perfect beach wave. But have you ever thought about what actually makes a wave? Waves aren't just water moving. They're energy traveling through the ocean. Wind pushes on the surface, creating ripples that grow into the waves we see. So next time you're at the beach, remember, you're watching energy in action, not just water. Nature's power, right at your feet. If your happy place looks like soft sand and rolling waves, you're a true beach lover. Welcome to paradise. No passport needed. Ocean waves aren't just pretty. They're nature's way of hitting the reset button. That gentle crash, it's proven to lower your heart rate and lift your mood. So the next time you need a break, close your eyes and picture the waves. The beach is always just a daydream away.